Guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Temidon. In this video, I want to talk briefly on this airdrop that is trending and you need to be a partaker of it. It is called Yuliverse. Yuliverse is a gaming network that has merged with they have collaboration with a lot of other community like Manta. Manta is being backed by Binance. So if you are not doing this airdrop, you are actually missing. Right now, this is the second phase of this airdrop. Previously, it was carried out and we had a good run. This was not my account. This was someone that had over 1,000 ART. And if this airdrop is being launched, if this token is being launched, we are believing that this token could be launched as up to 0.5. Imagine you having 0.5 times this amount of free money. This was my own account that I had 368 of this airdrop, all for free, just by paying a little fraction of cent of gas fee. Okay, so guys, let's jump into the video how to do this airdrop. First of all, you need to download this wallet called Big Health. Okay, you need to download this wallet. They have an exchange, they also have a wallet, so you need to be download this is the one you download, wallet, not the exchange. If you have the exchange, good and fine. I think you know how to do that, so let's continue. So once you do that, you click on it. You should make sure that you are in your wallet phase. Once you are on it, you make sure that you are in the wallet phase. Okay, once you click on the wallet phase, make sure that you connect to Polygon. Okay, choose Polygon network. All right, once you are in this wallet, you have downloaded the wallet, you have kept your trust phase, make sure you click on Polygon. I will click on Polygon, you are set to go. The next thing you want to do is to send Mattis to this account. Okay, Mattis is very easy. If you don't know, if you are looking for gas fee money, come to my DM. I will drop you my number at the end of this video. I will pay your gas fee. Okay, I will do that for you. Join our community and I will pay your gas fee. So I will send Mattis to this wallet. The next thing you want to do is to come to that dApps. This is that dApps here. Okay, come to that dApps, click on it. Once you're on the dApps, all you have to do is to click on this Yuliverse. Yuliverse, as you can see right there, is the most searched link in this wallet. Like they are hot. It's hot, so stop playing, guys. So they are the most searched, followed by this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy. So they are the most searched of all these things. So once you do is to click on it, it will load. So once it's load, all you have to do is to carry out some little tests and you check in daily. It's very, very simple. So once you click on that link, it will ask you to connect to your wallet. Okay, you can see now you have a signature here. All you have to do is just to click on it. You make sure that you are already in the Polygon network before you click on that link. You connect. Okay, once you do that, let me put in my PIN. So once you do that, the next step you need to do is to connect your Twitter account and your Discord. Okay, connect your Twitter. This is my Twitter link. This is my Discord. So once you do that, you connect these two. Okay, I can't remove it right now because it's already connected. Once you connect your Twitter and your Discord, you are good to go. The next thing you do is to scroll down for your daily check-in. Okay, all you have to do is to click on this check-in. You collect 2,000 points every day. If you connect to your Twitter, you connect, you refer a friend, you collect 1,000. You connect to your Twitter account, you collect 1,000. Okay, so all I have to do is to check in daily. This is the first time I'm checking. Click on this check-in. It will ask you again to connect to this Mattis. So once you connect, you have to pay a gas fee. Once you click on your gas fee, all you have to do is to wait and this thing will load. So you see that it is checked in. All I have to do is to click on claim. Okay, then there's another thing that will double your money. If you use my link, I will show you how to do this. Choose anything and you'll be given I'm giving ×2 of that my bonus. So let's go, and that will just it. I'll receive 4,000 points. Okay, I'll receive 4,000 points. So right now you can do other stuff that can receive more points for every day. You can do other stuff, and there's another interesting thing that you can actually do. I'll be explaining how you can get more points by playing games. I'll do that in the next video. just by playing games you can get more points. Please gather enough points, because in the previous run I made 368, just like that, 368. So guys, let's take this thing serious. My mentor that referred me made over 1,785. So this is a big collaboration. It's a big collaboration. So let's do it, guys. Let's do it before it ends. It started January 22nd, and today is January 24th. So let's do this, guys. Have a nice day. If you have any question, ask me in my DM.